Hello and welcome to this short video from InPhase. We're going to take a quick look at the new bubble chart in the latest release. We can see here in the top right hand corner an example bubble chart. We have some medical data that is obviously obfuscated. We have the age of the patient, which is reflected across the y-axis, and then we have the length of their stay across the x-axis. This is reflected in hours, and then the size of the bubble reflects the number of patients that we have who experience that length of stay and are at the same age. So for example, I can hover over a bubble here and I can see that we have one 86-year-old patient who stayed within the hospital for 861 hours. So we can get into the bubble chart and look at its configuration if we edit our chart. We can see here that that's been pre-selected. There are no sub-options, so let's go to the properties of the chart. Of course, we have all of the usual configuration options, so colour schemes, legends, the axes, pivoting the data. We also have some specific options, as you'll see in the sub-tab here. So I've got control over the minimum and maximum size of the bubbles, the sizing type, do I want to use area or diameter, the stacking of bubbles if appropriate, how I want to order my data, so do I want to order, in this case, the y-axis ahead of the x. Of course, simply select the one you want and then move them up and down in the ordering. And then finally, we have the option to turn off various series definitions within the chart as well. Okay, let's just close that down. Let's just have a quick look at the data behind the chart here. I'm going to remove the chart itself. Let's look at the data. And as you can see, we have three different dimensions as I've been describing. So we have the length of stay, the age, and in this case, a count. Many of them are one, but we'll see that we do have some examples where that number increases. So the bubble chart is ideal for data where you have three dimensions and need to display those accordingly within your visualization. So incredibly powerful and all available for you straight out of the box with InPhase.